Today we will learn some sentences which will be very useful to us while speaking English. We will learn some sentences that will help us to learn spoken English. If you know these sentences, you will learn to speak English very quickly. Moreover, while speaking English, you can create many new sentences yourself. Of course. Of course. I have a good sense of smell. I have a good sense of smell. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. I can't think of his name. I can't think of his name. The sky is full of stars. The sky is full of stars. He is fond of swimming. He is fond of swimming. None of your business. None of your business. All of us were silent. All of us were silent. I wish you the best of luck. I wish you the best of luck. He is still full of energy. He is still full of energy. He is the captain of the team. He is the captain of the team. She has no sense of beauty. She has no sense of beauty. How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? She went out of the room. She went out of the room. Give me a cup of coffee. Give me a cup of coffee. It's free of charge. It's free of charge. I am afraid of bears. I am afraid of bears. She wrote a lot of poems. She wrote a lot of poems. I am doubtful of his success. I am doubtful of his success. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. I want a piece of candy. I want a piece of candy. Which of them is your brother? Which of them is your brother? I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. What is the price of this cap? What is the price of this cap? He has a lot of money. He has a lot of money. It's the 3rd of October. It's the 3rd of October. He is a teacher of English. He is a teacher of English. Let's do this first of all. Let's do this first of all. All of them are not poor. All of them are not poor. I want to drink a cup of tea. I want to drink a cup of tea. Are you sure of your answer? Are you sure of your answer? I am proud of my brother. I am proud of my brother. He is afraid of death. He is afraid of death. My briefcase is full of papers. My briefcase is full of papers. Beware of pickpockets. Beware of pickpockets. I am proud of my son. I am proud of my son. Don't make fun of people. Don't make fun of people. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. I don't like any of them. I don't like any of them. There's a possibility of war. There's a possibility of war. All of them went there. All of them went there. I want to get rid of it. I want to get rid of it. I bought 2 pairs of trousers. I bought 2 pairs of trousers. The price of eggs is going up. The price of eggs is going up. Beware of the dog. Beware of the dog. I am sick of this hot weather. I am sick of this hot weather. I bought 2 bottles of milk. I bought 2 bottles of milk. The cost of living has risen. The cost of living has risen. You keep out of this. You keep out of this.
Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again with new topic. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English easily, because regularly we come with new learning videos. If you can share the video with your friends, and of course comment on how do you like our videos, or you can let us know by commenting if you need anything help. Stay well and stay with us to learn English.